All right, so here we have a 2004 Nissan Titan. What we're going to be doing today is replacing the rear shocks. All right, so we need to remove this bolt, and they are 3/4. So we'll go ahead and spray a little bit of penetrating oil on there to help us out. I'm going to try to just use the regular breaker bar and a ratchet first, see if we can. For the top one, I swapped to 2 deep wells. And I got to come in on this side of the frame rail. All right, let me get an extension. So for us, we have the vehicles up on the lift. Our shock is fully extended, so we have to use a dead bend to hold up one side of the axle so we can get our bolts out. If you're doing this on the ground, you won't have to do this, or you could use a jack to help you out. All right, so I got my dead man. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of pressure. Just going to kind of play with the bolt at the same time. You are frozen in there. Okay, so we do have a little bit of a flat edge, so hitting it with a hammer is not going to damage our threads. Let's go ahead and tap it out. Same with the top one, just give it a little tap. All right, now it's a little hard to grab. I'm gonna get a little, I'm just gonna use kind of like just a little driver to help push the bolt back. All right, so we got that out. All right, so here we have some Monroe shocks that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. All right, so we make sure that we have eyelet and eyelets the same. So this strap, if the car is compressed, you could do it while it's on, but we're going to go ahead and take it off. All right, so you just want to make sure that our fully extended links are the same. All right, so it looks like we have a good match for our shock. We'll go ahead and install this one now. All right, so I got my bolt located in the hole. I'm just going to pull it back just a little bit, not to lose not to pull it out of the hole, but just to get it so I can line it up. All right, we're going to go ahead and put our bottom bolt in before we tighten it up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put my bottom bolt in. All right. Now we have our bolt in, we can go ahead and get rid of our dead man. All right, go ahead and put our nuts on. All right, so now we'll go to the other side and do the exact same thing. All right, so there we have our rear insulation of the shocks.